If you're experiencing problems with your JBL Flip 7, the first step is to try a factory reset. Press and hold the play and plus buttons on the side of the speaker. The Bluetooth button will be blinking, meaning that the speaker has been successfully reset and ready to be paired. After the reset, you'll likely need to manually pair the device again. Make sure to disconnect the Flip 7 from any previously connected devices first. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on and select JBL Flip 7 from the list of available devices again. Wait to see the status connected. If your JBL Flip 7 isn't charging, it might be due to water or debris in the charging port. This is often indicated by blinking LEDs when trying to charge. Let the port dry out naturally and avoid using tissues to prevent fibers from getting stuck inside. If your Flip 7 is dirty, you can gently rinse it with water. For a deeper clean, use mild soap and a soft brush. The device is IP68 waterproof, so it can be submerged in water but not saltwater. If your Flip 7 still isn't working and needs repair or replacement, you can find the serial number in the app or under the strap next to the exclamation mark. You'll need it for warranty claims or when contacting JBL support for service or replacement. And that's it. Subscribe for more helpful guides.